this is Jackie with West Coast Connects, and I just want to shoot you over the little video that we were telling you guys about. It's just going to go over a couple things that you guys can do with your website and your Google My Business profile that would help bring in more leads using those tools. So first off, I have your site pulled up and the setup looks great. The pictures are awesome. I would suggest having a little form submit right here or right here. That's going to enable people to fill it out fairly quickly without having to search through the site. It is good that you have your click to call here. Another suggestion I do have is the content. So you guys do have quite a bit of content on here. Now you would want to add additional content that would incorporate the keywords that you're wanting to be found for. And Google likes to see in between 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And like I said, you do want to incorporate the keywords that are going to bring you in more traffic. The Google bots will stay on your site longer if you have more content on there, and the longer they spend on there, the quicker you're going to start getting indexed on Google. And I'll go into the keywords here in just a minute. But I do have your site pulled up into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and we'll look at the UR and the DR. That's the strength and trust your site has with Google. And you want to keep these numbers pretty balanced and constantly moving up. It's on a scale of 100. So the trust right now is on a little bit on the lower end, so there's a couple different things that you guys can do. Currently you have 64 backlinks and 24 referring domains or websites. So what a backlink is, it's your site linked to another site that points direction back to you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. They're not all created equal. Some are going to be spammy, like the poker sites or something, and others are going to be more authoritative and relevant to the niche that you're in, and they're going to be sending you your website actual power that would help boost your rankings and move you up in Google. You have 131 keywords that you're coming up for, and right now you're getting about 60 organic traffic a month. So some of those keywords we'll take a look at. Okay, so you guys are ranking for like metal building Corpus Christi, metal construction companies near me. You're in the 5th position, 2nd position. Let's see. So keywords like leaky roof repair, that you want to buyer intent keywords. So you would want to incorporate that with your area that you're in. So you'd want to say like leaky roof repair, Corpus Christi. Like this roofing company's Corpus Christi, this is a good one. There's 250 people that look that up a month. You're in the 20th position for that. Roofing Corpus Christi, Texas, 80 people. Here's another one for 30 people. Roofing Corpus Christi, 150. You guys are in the 20th position, 12th, 16th. So slowly there's gaining some traction here, and by implementing some of these tactics, you'll be able to kind of push forward through that. But once you start ranking, basically you would want to add that total volume of monthly searches, and you would get a percentage of that going to your site. A percentage of that is going to give you a call or fill out a form, and then depending on your closing rate, turn into a customer. So when I Google Corpus Christi roofers or Corpus Christi roofing company, what comes up first are the ads, which is definitely something that is going to help bring in business quickly. You just want to run a very targeted ad with a good landing page, and you want to keep your cost per click low. Then what comes up next is the map pack, and you really want to come up in the top 3. And what that's going to do is allow you to get 30-40% of this traffic going to your website or give you a call. Now you can do this by implementing more reviews, responding to reviews, responding to your messages quickly, adding posts, and making adding posts and photos on the regular each week. And by doing that, it's going to help boost you up in the Corpus Christi area, and you can actually expand out of that area as well. Then going into the organics, the top competitor is Phillips Roof. So taking a look at what they're doing, we'll look at their site. So they have get a free estimate here, their socials, they have a form submit right here. This all makes it very easy for customers to contact them quickly, just because people don't really go throughout the whole site. They just want to contact people. They'll kind of skim through the site, but they do have quite a bit of content on here. So you just want to beat them out in every way. And one of the biggest ones would be content. And taking a look at their metrics in Ahrefs, they are sitting at 29 and 12 for UR and DR. So definitely within the realm of reason that you could beat them out. They're getting, they have a little over 1,000 backlinks and 235 referring domains. So a good plan of action would be to match the amount of referring domains that they have, but beat them out by at least 100. And then they're coming up for 178 keywords and getting about 305 organic traffic per month. So taking a look at some of those keywords that they're coming up with or for. So we have roofing Corpus Christi, 150 people a month. Look that up. Corpus Christi roofing, 100. Let's see, roofing companies, Corpus Christi, 250. Let's see, roofing Corpus Christi, Texas, 80. So there is a very good volume in Corpus Christi to start implementing those backlinks and doing all of these things that was going to help you bring in those leads coming from Google. And then lastly, I just want to touch on citations. And what a citation is, it's your business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages or Yelp. And by going out and getting as many citations as you can, Google is going to start seeing that you are an authoritative business in your niche, and they're going to start indexing you more, and you're going to start pushing up in the rankings the more you do it, since Google is just a big popularity contest. So I highly would suggest that as well. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I would love to hear some feedback. Thanks so much.